To perform an antigen COVID self-test, you need a sampling swab. You'll also need a test device. You will need a test tube. And also you'll need the solution, the test solution where we are going to insert our swab after we've swabbed it around the nose. If you've not already, sanitize your hands and then begin by pulling out your swab from its packaging, making sure that you don't touch the soft part but the handle. Blow your nose with a clean handkerchief and then start by swabbing on the right nostril, 2 centimeters in, parallel to the roof of the mouth, and don't force it in. Then do the same on the left nostril. Then the next step, just place your swab in a clean surface. Then we are going to take out the testing solution, pour it into the test tube, insert your swab into the test tube and press against the walls of the test tube and turn the swab at least 4 times for 15 seconds so that the biological material dissolves completely. And then the next step, we are going to close off the test tube with the nozzle cap, and then we are going to pour in exactly 4 drops of that solution into our test device. And then after you've done so, you're going to wait for it to settle. Give it around 15 minutes so that it clears and you see whether you can see any lines forming on the control C and the test line. Remember, if you don't see a line on the control section C, then your test is invalid. But remember also, if you see both lines appearing on C and T, then that means that your test is positive and you have COVID-19. Remember to get vaccinated and to continue protecting yourself against COVID-19. And if your test turns positive, don't panic. Reach to your nearest hospital and seek medical advice. And also, if you have little to no symptoms, then you can just stay home and take medication that pays attention to the little symptoms that you are going through, and you will recover. In my case, I recovered within 5 days and now I am fully healed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.